Hello! We are going to be presenting our project today, and we'll go ahead and get that pulled up. All right, let's get that out of the way. So we are ArtlinkStudio, and our team name is ArtLink. Our group members are Jared Augustine and Emma Walker. Are you an artist looking to grow your network and showcase your talent? Have you struggled to sell your art using other seller and bidding sites? Or are you a budding art collector looking for a credible art marketplace? Welcome to ArtlinkStudio, where creativity meets opportunity. ArtlinkStudio presents a comprehensive suite of tools and options providing opportunities for every creator to grow and shine.
All right, hey, I'm gonna right now present our class diagram. So this is basically the structure of our entire app. First, it starts off the landing page, where on the landing page we're gonna have two buttons: the sign up button and the login button. If you don't have a already log username information, you're gonna go to sign up, and after you sign up, you put in all your information. It's gonna redirect you to the login page where you have to log in. And once all the credentials are validated, you're gonna go to our art marketplace. And from our marketplace, that's where you can go throughout the app. You have your art, your art detail page, your profile page, and your and your messaging page, and also your user dashboard, all from the marketplace.
So now I'm going to walk you through our ArtlinkStudio key features. So the first of which is our sign up and login. The inputs for this would be, our user credentials, and in our case, it's going to be your first name, last name, user-generated username, password, and your email. Our outputs would be a success or error message, which, for example, could be login successful, sign up successful, invalid username or password. And it'll redirect you, upon a successful login, it'll redirect you to the marketplace, the art marketplace. We also have error hints in the case that you maybe put in a password that is too short. So for example, we're going to walk you through this. So when you come to the ArtLink landing page, you don't have an account already, you're going to click sign up. And once you get to, it'll redirect you to the sign up page. You're going to fill in all your personal information, click the sign up button, and it should redirect you back to the landing page with a sign up successful. Once you get to there, you're going to click login, and you're going to log in with that newly created information. So an important method in this case would be saving the sign-up data to Firestore, which is essential in fetching that for the login. It's all accounts attached to Firebase with your username and your password. You're gonna collect the user data, and you're gonna show a success message and navigate upon sign up. You're gonna navigate back to the landing page so that you can log in. And here is that in our actual code, showing the Firestore instance collection under our artist collection.
So the next key feature we have is our marketplace, and the inputs from our marketplace is obviously the search bar, where you can find artwork by the name, artist, or the category. And once you find the artwork that you like, you can click on it and view all the details. And obviously the outputs are again the list of artworks with the images, titles, prices, and the artist name. Detail artwork page to where you can click on every artwork and see all the different details of it. And if there's no search results, you're not going to find any search matches. So right now we're on our art marketplace, and then once we find a photo that we like, we click on it. And then after that, it takes you to our detail page where you see the name, the current price, is it available or has it been sold, and the artist, where you can click on and view their artist page. So one important method we have is catching the artist info. So one thing that we'll do once we get the artwork data, we're gonna check to see we're gonna create a function, and then we're gonna check to see from the database is it catch, and then we're gonna set the name. We're gonna set the name to a function and then return that to the artist and the artwork to build the card. And again, this is the code. This is the function that we're using to again get the art name. And after we get the art name, we're gonna check to see if the database picks it up, and then we put that database in the function so we can build the card and have all the card information on there.
So our next key feature is our messaging system. So our inputs are obviously text message input and clicking on an artist or buyer's name to initiate a chat. Our outputs is a real-time message display and conversation in the conversation view and notifications for new messages. So in order to access your messages, you can access them primarily from your messages page on the sidebar. You click messages, it redirects you to your message log with all the conversations that you have available that has been initiated by someone to you or you have initiated yourself with an artist or buyer. And for example, you can click on on a specific conversation and it will redirect you to the conversation log. So here we're asking for more art, and if you wanted to type a new message or add another message in, you can send that by clicking the send button. And one of our specifically important methods for this in this scenario is sending a message. So it's going to validate the input message to make sure that it's not empty, so that you're not getting a bunch of empty messages. It's going to update the main chat document and add the new message to the messages collection so that we have that record in Firestore. And here is an example of our code with that Firestore information being stored in here as well.
Oh, our user dashboard page, and one of our inputs is the personal profile updates where we can a profile picture, bio, and contact information. And it also gives you a list of actions to where you can delete, update artwork listings for artists. And outputs is obviously you can view your user activity, you can view how many of your items purchased and how revenue they brought. And you have an option to delete or edit or delete option your information. So as you can see, if you go on your profile dashboard, you're able to see how many items you sold, the total revenue from there, and you're able to update your profile bio and your profile picture. And after you got all that information, you save your changes. You can see that your changes were updated, and it says profile updated successfully. A key is again getting the database. So as you can see, first we gotta pull the database, the artist database, and then we gotta look for that current user, and then we gotta update. We gotta update that current profile picture with the profile URL that you put in, and then after update, it's gonna check to see if everything runs, and then it's gonna update your profile photo. Again, as you can see, Firebase, again, you're uploading to Firebase, you're checking to see the photo of the current user, and then after that, it's again looking at the user again, and then it's checking to see if the photo was successfully updated. If something happened and the photo failed to update, or it will give you an error.
So our final key feature that we wanted to show, wanted to highlight today is our cart and our checkout. So our inputs for this are going to be our selected artwork details, our shipping address input, and our payment information. So our outputs in this case are going to be a cart summary with artworks, quantity, and total price, and your payment success or failure message. So, and also it's going to send an order confirmation receipt with an order number and the purchase details to the email associated with the account. So for example, we choose this, we're looking at this artwork right now, $1 trillion, very nice. We're going to add that to our cart, and it's going to give us an option it's going to show us added to cart successfully, and we can click view cart from there. Once we take a look at our cart, if everything's good, we can remove listed art if we would like to, but if we're satisfied, we can click checkout, and it's going to redirect us to filling out our shipping and our payment information. Once we do that, we're going to have the option to place our order. And then if everything goes through, it's going to say give you order placed with a confirmation number and an email sent to the email associated with the account. And from there, you can return to the home page. So this is kind of going to be one of the important calls for this specific key feature. It's going to be calling the fetch cart to retrieve the data from Firestore. Once the data is successfully retrieved, we extract the cart data and calculate the entire cost by iterating each item through the list in order to calculate the cost with the tags. And here is our actual code to demonstrate this. And now we're going to walk you through a demo. So you're at the ArtLink landing page where you're able to showcase and sell your art. You're able to build your portfolio. If you're looking to connect with artists, you can click the sign up button and you fill in all of the information, your first name, your last name, your email, your username, password, and you obviously will confirm password. And we've set up the logic with that to double check that they are in fact the same. So we're just gonna wait for Emma to get through and click sign up. It's gonna click in the bottom, it's gonna say sign up successful. So once you get to that point, you're gonna log in with those credentials that you just created. You're gonna log in. So here you can see the ArtlinkStudio marketplace where you have all the art that's been listed. And I kind of like this artwork. I'm gonna click land and I want to see the artist. He's got a couple different things that I actually like. And you know what? I got money. I'm gonna add that to my cart. I like him so much, I'm gonna add a second one to my cart. 3,500, easy. Thank you, John Gover. In fact, I want to commission something from him. I want to send him a message. If I can spell it right. So once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go back to my ArtlinkStudio marketplace. I'm gonna just look at a couple other things. You know what? This watermelon's pretty cool. I'm gonna check out this artist. Bane here, what's up? I love this apple. I'm gonna add this to cart because I got money like that. It's okay. Quick and easy. Gonna go back to the marketplace, look around a little bit more. I wanna actually see what all this specific artist has made. Shows me his art. Okay, I've seen that before. I'm gonna go to my profile dashboard now. From here, you can see your sold listings and your total revenue if you were to add art to your account. I'm gonna update my bio. Oh, it's me. I have so much money to buy all your art. Then I'm gonna select a profile picture URL. to add a photo to my account. I click Save Changes and it'll let me know that the profile was updated successfully. Now I've got a pretty picture. I'm going to click my artwork, so I'm going to see I got nothing listed yet. I'm going to go ahead and create some art. I've got a statue print that I want. I can add the title, the price, and the image URL. I really value my art, so I'm gonna make that, what is that, $1 million? Yeah, right. It's available, so I'm gonna keep that toggled that way, and you can see my statue print is now available. I can edit or delete that if I want to. I'm gonna add one more. It's gonna be a sequin art. I'm multi-talented, multifaceted. So this one's gonna be even more money because it took me even longer to make. I'm gonna add this image URL so that everybody can see the photo of my hard work. And it's available, so I'm gonna click add artwork. And now both of them are available. And you know what? Actually, my statue print, I value it a little bit more. So I'm gonna edit that price. Add an extra buck. Just for me. Click Save Changes and you can see that it's been updated successfully. From here, I can go to my cart that I've added previously. I'm looking at these. They make me happy. I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna enter my shipping address and my payment information. My order is placed. It went through. I've got my confirmation number and my confirmation email sent to my email associated with my account. So now you can see all of these are saying sold. They've updated in Firebase. From here, I'm going to click my messages and I'm going to press this artist to respond to me. I really want his art. I'm going to go back now. And now I'm satisfied. And I've logged out and ended my session.
Well, thank you for that, Emma. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you for taking the time to look at our video. A lot of work has been put in on too for both sides, so thank you for allowing us to show you on our app that we're looking to you. Again, thank you. My name is Jared. That's
I'm
Emma,
Emma. Mm,
and hopefully you'll decide to download.
Thank you.